Hello and welcome to our training video for the 512 sweeper. In this video we shall show you how to use and maintain the machine. You've got the lever here for the front side brush to lower and start that, and then you have a rocker switch here with 3 positions, the middle being off. The front position here is for the vacuum and the rear is for the filter shaker. On the handles here you notice 2 levers. The right hand lever here is for traction, so that's to propel the machine forward while sweeping, and the left hand lever is to lower and raise the dust flap. So to start the machine we turn the key switch to on and you will see the LEDs light up. Green is fully charged, and as the batteries deplete the lights go down to the empty. You'll notice here you've got a light on the left hand side to indicate that the side brush is ready to use. Now currently it's in the off position. To lower the front side brush, if you're going to use it, you will push and lower and the side brush will start. To turn the vacuum fan on, it's the front section of the rocker switch. And finally at the end, the other end of the rocker switch, you have the filter shaker, which you press and hold for 30 seconds to clear the filter. Located at the bottom of the machine just here you'll see a pedal, and this is the foot brake, just to lock the brakes on if you're parking the machine up. To empty the bin you need to release the bin with that lever at the front just there, and then simply pull your bin like so. Whilst emptying the bin, this is a good opportunity to check your main brush, and that's located just here. Whilst you will always look for items of length as you're sweeping along, it's inevitable that you may get something wrapped around the brush, such as a piece of shrink wrap. That would strangulate the brush, so it's important just to check your brush and remove anything that's got caught. Just to make sure that you're maintaining the brush there and you're getting the best out of the machine. So we've now revealed the panel filter, which obviously filters the dust so that the air expelled from the machine is clean. The filter will over time block in these concertina folds, and there's 2 things here that you need to do to maintain the filter. The first one is the filter shaker, which is actually a button on the control panel. The filter shaker, when activated, will vibrate the panel just here with a little motor above, and that will shake dust out into the dust tray. When replacing the filter, it's very, very important to make sure you put the filter back in the way that you took it out. There is an arrow here to help. It's telling you that the flow of air is going in this way towards the motor. If you were to put it in the other way, then of course you would be sucking any dust into the motor, which wouldn't be good at all. To gain access to underneath this cover here, you will need to undo the 2 screws located at the front, and then lift the cover like so, and you will see the battery and various motors, vacuum, brush, filter shaker. So that wraps up this video. I hope that's been useful and goes some way to help you understanding how to use and how to look after your 512 sweeper. Thanks for watching.